Guys, hello guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. So guys, this is our new channel and this is our first video. So let us introduce about our channel. So you may have heard on many ways, right? On many ways on how you can make money online, but many YouTubers, they don't reveal the exact method on how you can make money online. So guys, we started, right, and we discussed and we have started some tutorials, right? We hope that it will be very useful for you guys, right? So our main aim is to help you to earn dollars from the internet, right? So it's really easy, but you have to work hard. So guys, to begin this, let us start with like this. So guys, if you go to Google and type how to make money online, you can see many ways, right? So let me tell you some of these ways. So guys, you can see here 25 ways to make money online, offline at home. So guys, you can see here like pick up freelance work online, test websites and apps, right? So there are tons of ways. So I am not gonna read the whole step and explain you step one by one, right? So let us do like this. We shall start from the basic, right? So for start, I'll be explaining you on a website known as Picoworkers.com. So guys, you don't have any skills and you don't have money to invest, you don't have a website, you are simply a total beginner and you want to make money online, you want to see dollars coming from your PC. So guys, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Hi friends, we are from US Educate. So today I am so happy to publish this video that I think. So guys, you can see here, if you go to Picoworkers, right, and I'm so happy to publish this video that I think it will help a lot of people worldwide, especially today in this hard time. So what is covered in this, I will be telling you short and sweetly guys. Simply I will share with you 5 websites, right? Not today we are only sharing you only one website, right, known as Picoworkers, that you can start working with today, from today, without any investments or skills, and you can start making money every single day, and not too much, like $2 or $3, but I think a lot of you will benefit from this, now to be honest. So guys, with you usually I don't write like this if you are following me. So you know I publish we are hoping to publish real case studies and strategies, online businesses, and something really beginning requires effort. So guys, and it's time to build a real business, but we'll publish many videos and tutorials and tips and tricks in our channel. So I have 3 important points you have to know. The number one is guys, the comment section below we have, right, a lot of we need comments from you. So based on that only guys, we can start and we can prepare new videos and new stuffs and all. So make sure to subscribe, like and comment your ideas so we can improve our channel in the coming future. So guys, if you haven't joined yet, go and subscribe our channel, and guys, the link for this website will be given under the description section. And guys, more people and help more people. If you don't want to apply strategies, maybe you can help, so someone else apply it and maybe change his life and start making dollars every single day. So guys, in this hard time, so without talking too much, let's go and start with the website, the number one, right? So today we are going to discuss about this, which is Picoworkers, right? So simply guys, we can tell that this site has what survey, right? Survey site, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy affordable stuff. Simply guys, what you will do is guys, you can sign up as, right? You can sign up as, click here the sign up button, right? Fill your details and sign up, right? And make sure to guys give your own details, right? Without giving false details. You have to give you have to make sure to give the real name,